Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to render frames in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are. So if you're looking on how to render frames in order for you to have a smoother playback on your Adobe Premiere Pro, then stick to the video. So the first thing that I'm gonna tell you is that you need to pay attention to the indicator right here. The green would mean that the playback would be smooth or the frames are already rendered, and yellow would mean just in the middle, and red would probably be it is not rendered and it is most probably be laggy when you play it here, so you would need to render it first. So I'm going to show you different ways on how you can render depending on what you need. So the first one is by simply pressing enter right here without selecting any clip right here or whatsoever, then it would render everything that is not rendered in your timeline. So when I press enter now, it would be like this. As you can see, it is now rendering files, one video previews, and you can see the frames and the estimated time left. And for that, the green, it would be now green right here. It would have green indications, which means it would be now smooth. Right there, there would be no lag in the video playback that you have. But if you are looking for like something that you only need to render specific, specific parts of your timeline, then you can also use that mark in and out. Makes, like, for example, I press O right here to mark out, just like this one, and in for this clip right here or this part of the video, and when I press enter right there, it would render again just like before, but right now it won't because it has a green one. But when we place another one again to make it red again, just like that, or maybe a different title right here so that we can have it as an example. So just like this one, and I'm gonna go and do it like this, and when I press enter, it would just render this part but not this part anymore, because this is just where we have marked in and out right there. Or if you just want to render a clip, then you can also do this right here. So as you can see, it's already green. For example, you just want to render this clip right here, so you select that clip, go into sequence, and then just go for render selection, and now it would only render that clip. But as you can see, it won't because it's already rendered just like that. So that is basically how you can render your footages right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.